Students, welcome to the explanation of online assignment subject botany. Date 28th August 2020. Question number 1. Students, main topic is respiration in plants. Subtopic is oxidative phosphorylation. Right? Come to the questions. By transfer of how many protons one ATP is formed? Students, during oxidative phosphorylation, transfer of protons required for ATP synthesis. A pair of protons or two protons needed for the synthesis of an ATP via F0F1 complex or ATP synthase. Number of protons, how many? 2H plus. That's why second option is correct. Students, second question. How many pairs of protons are released in respiratory chain by one NADH2? If one NADH is oxidized in the ETS via three places, complex 1, complex 3 and complex 4, right? Via complex 1, 2H plus, via complex 3, 2H plus, via complex 4, 2H plus, removed from matrix, right, and released into intermembrane space. During the oxidation of an NADH molecule, three pairs of protons, three coupling points, three pairs of protons removed from matrix and releases into intermembrane space. For second question, students, correct option is three pairs, third option. Students, question number 3. What is the method of formation of ATP in mitochondria? In mitochondria or in chloroplast, ATP synthesis occurs according to chemiosmotic hypothesis. In chemiosmotic hypothesis, proton concentration gradient is the main driving force for ATP synthesis. For both the organelles, it is applicable. Come to the options. Osmosis is wrong. Chemiosmosis is correct. For third question, second option is correct. Students, fourth question. Which complex is formed by FMN NADH dehydrogenase? Prosthetic group is FMN NADH dehydrogenase with iron sulfur. This total complex name is complex 1. It is the gateway for ETS. Complex 1. Complex 1. First option is correct. Students, question number 5. Which part of ATP synthase is completely embedded in the membrane? Students, it is the inner membrane. It is the membrane embedded part. And it is protruded into matrix. Membrane embedded component is called F0. The component which is protruded into matrix is called F1. This entire complex is called F0F1 complex or ATP synthase. Plays an important role in ATP production during oxidative phosphorylation. Students, this complex is also called fifth complex. This is a membrane embedded part F0. What is the given option? First option. Students, sixth question. How many ATP are obtained from one NADH? One NADH is oxidized during the ETS. Because of this oxidation of NADH, total 6H plus gradient is developed across the membrane. With the help of 6H plus gradient, 3 ATP are produced. How many number of ATP are produced with the help of this NADH oxidation? Students, 3 ATP. So for sixth question, right option is third option, 3 ATP. Students, seventh question. how many ATP are obtained from one FADH2? If one FADH2 participates in ETS, that is leads to the 4H plus proton gradient. 4H plus gradient. For every 2H plus 1 ATP, no? 4H plus gradient means 2 ATP. FADH2 molecule contribution is just 2 ATPs. Seventh question, second option is correct. Right? Students, 8th question. Which complex is formed by cytochrome A3 and cytochrome A? Cytochrome A3A is also called cytochrome C oxidase or complex 4. Complex 4, cytochrome C oxidase. Fourth option. What are the 4 options in 8th question? Complex 1 is called NADH dehydrogenase. Complex 2 is called succinate dehydrogenase. Complex 3 is called cytochrome C reductase. Complex 4 is called cytochrome C oxidase or A3AA A3 complex. Fourth option is correct. Students, question number 9. Photosynthetic ATP synthesis is called. Photosynthetic ATP synthesis is called photophosphorylation, which is dependent on light. Respiratory ATP synthesis is called oxidative phosphorylation. This process depends on oxidation and reduction reactions. In the question, he asked about photosynthetic ATP synthesis. That is photophosphorylation. Second option is correct. Students, 10th and last question. How many FADH2 are formed in one turn of Krebs cycle? In each turn of Krebs cycle, 1 FADH2 and 3 NADH molecules are formed. In every turn of Krebs cycle, 3 NADH and 1 FADH2 molecules are formed. He is asking about only FADH2, no? 1. First option is correct. Students, this is an explanation of assignment of oxidative phosphorylation. Thank you.